In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Discord app. So if you're experiencing problems with your app, maybe your app can't open or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can solve that problem for once and for all. My name is Isaac, and if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, the first thing you need to do, there are quite a number of steps you can take to be able to solve any issue related to Discord app. In the first step, we need to access the app information page. For this, just go ahead and look for settings. And then from settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. From apps, tap on it, and then you'll see this option called manage apps. Now, for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. So look for this option called manage apps. On some smartphones, it might be written all apps or more apps depending on your phone. And then go ahead and tap on it. And this will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From the list, go ahead and look for your app, and you can see Discord is here. Alternatively, you can just search for your app using the search function on top here. So if I go ahead and tap on Discord here, you can see I'm on the app information page, and here is where we are going to do our first troubleshooting. So if getting to this app information page is quite tedious for you, then let me show you a shortcut method that is quite simple and quick. For that, just go back and then look for your app. Once you get your app, go ahead and long press on it, and you'll see we have this option called app info. If you tap on it, it will again take you to the same app information page. Now at this point, we want to clear the app data, and you can see we have the option to clear data here, and more especially we want to clear the cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see we have quite a number of cache data and user data. So one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because of the accumulation of the cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are small files that your app normally stores to enhance user experience. The problem is the accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So to solve this problem, go ahead and tap on clear data, which is down here, and then choose from these two the option called clear cache, and then okay. And as you can see, the cache files or cache data has been cleared. From here, go ahead and restart your smartphone, and then go ahead and open your app, and it should have fixed all the problems that you're experiencing. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then proceed and then clear all data by tapping on clear all data here, and then okay. And you'll have to go ahead and log in afresh for you to be able to use Discord. However, if any of these two methods didn't solve your problem, then proceed to the third and the last method. And this is to look for your app either through Google Play Store if you are on Android, and App Store if you are on iPhone. So for my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Google Play Store here and then search for Discord. Once you find your app, go ahead and look for any option called update. So one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you have been using an outdated version of Discord app. For this, you need to go ahead and update it to the latest version. As you can see, mine is already up to date. That's why it is written here open, and then update it to the latest version. And now from here, you'll be able to start using your app without any problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.